What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, this was the channel's converting into like kind of like a vlog thing. This was a dirt bike I got on Veterans Day weekend. It's a Kawasaki 140RF. The F, I believe, stands for full-size wheels. Right, the wheels are like the size of, I think, like a 230 or something like that. My brother-in-law has the KLX 230, and some of the pictures that we took, you almost can't even tell. I'm kind of a shorter person, so the main reason why I went with this bike was price point and but primarily the height. The seat height is shorter. I am 170 pounds at 5'8". The weight limit for this thing is about 150 pounds. And going through Carolina Adventure World in Winnsboro, South Carolina, I think it's like 1,500 acres. This bike can handle it for somebody my size, and it makes it, the seat height makes it more convenient because the trails there can be pretty steep. And if I have to put my foot down, if it's anything higher than this, it makes it very difficult to really get my balance. As you can see, I already jacked up the handle there. I have about 10 hours on it. I already cleaned the air filter, changed the oil in the oil filter. Probably gonna do that every 5, so I need to do the second one here. I'm gonna try and get it done this week. But yeah, that's it for now. I got some stuff coming. I did get a camera as well in a bike mount, like a 360 camera, so I should have that video up here. I don't know, it's starting to get cold. I'm in my garage right now, and it feels like I'm in a meat cooler. It's so cold, so I don't know how much more often we'll get out on the dirt bike this season. But snowboarding is next week, so I'll probably have the camera on me there too. So awesome. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.